Snowy, slow down!
Coco wants my toast.
Careful, kids.
Good morning, everyone.
Dad, look at Snowy! Woof, woof! You look cute today.
Wait, let me hug Coco.
Woof!
Be gentle, Noah.
Okay, Mom.
Snowy is fast!
Coco is hiding again.
Dogs love games.
I see you, Coco. Woof! Dark clouds.
Rain is coming soon.
Can the dogs stay inside?
Yes, of course.
Whoa, loud rain.
Coco looks scared. It's okay, baby.
Close the back gate.
Creak!
Woof! Bark! Bark!
Did you hear that?
Coco, come here!
Please come back. I miss Coco.
Keep looking, kids.
Whoop, whoop.
Coco, come here! Coco!
I want Coco home. Me too.
We will find him.
I hope he is safe. Coco is scared alone.
We should not lose hope.
Maybe Coco is scared. Can we search again? Yes, after breakfast.
Wine. Please call us if you see Coco. We will help.
He has a red collar.
Thank you.
The kids are very sad.
I know.
What can we do?
Maybe we should take a trip.
There is a beautiful island near the sea.
Really?
Can we go? Yes, maybe this weekend.
I want to see the ocean.
We must pack clothes and water.
And medicine too.
I will pack snacks. Can Snowy come? Yes, of course.
Take your jacket. Okay, and my cap.
Don't forget socks. Okay.
Woof. Snowy is excited. I wish Coco was here too.
Maybe good things will happen.
We will stay together.
Ship leaves in 10 minutes.
Wow, the sea!
It's so big. Stay close together.
Keep your bags with you.
Stay close together.
Hold Noah's hand.
The ship is huge. I can hear the waves.
All right, let's go.
The water is beautiful. Look at the birds.
This ocean is very deep.
Careful near the railing.
These are seagulls.
They are so close. They fly so fast. Woo! Woo! Woo!
That is a salmon fish.
Wow, I can see it. There are many fish. Do not lean too far. Sometimes trips help our hearts.
I feel better now. Me too.
We needed this trip.
Snowy sees something!
What is it?
Bark! Bark!
Strange.
Welcome to Blue Island!
It looks amazing. I want to explore everything.
Stay together, kids.
Soft sand.
Stay near us.
The water feels warm.
This place is beautiful.
Look at this shell. It's shiny. Nature is beautiful.
Take only a few shells.
Snowy, slow down.
Bark, bark, bark. Why is he acting strange? Maybe he smells something. Stay close, kids. Wait, is that Coco? Bark, bark, bark. Oh my goodness.
Coco! We found you.
Oh, thank goodness.
He's safe.
I missed you so much.
Don't leave again.
Poor baby.
You are safe now.
Woof.
We saw this dog near the harbor. Thank you for helping him. He looked very lonely.
Poor Coco. We are very grateful. Poor Coco.
He was hungry.
Eat slowly, baby.
Now he is safe.
We are together again.
I'm so happy. Best day ever.
Sometimes miracles happen.